Hi guys, welcome to the Bright Planning channel, and today we're going to be learning how to get your tax clearance certificate with PIN on the SARS e-filing website. Let's get to this. The tax clearance PIN is used for many reasons, particularly in most cases for business purposes. We as Bright Planning accountants, we tend to assist many clients whereby we charge them a consultation fee. However, it is important to note that to get a tax clearance certificate is actually free, but we as consultants, we charge a consultation fee because it does take time. And because of this, I've decided to make this video to help you guys watching to get your own tax clearance certificate for free. You can get this for business or individual purposes, as well as your NPO and whatever organization that you may have registered on your e-filing profile. So as a gesture of appreciation, I would really appreciate if you guys were to subscribe to this channel because it really helps us a lot. Without any further ado, let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is go to sarsefiling.co.za, and once you're there, you're going to log into your profile. Once you're logged in, just make sure that you have the correct taxpayer or tax type selected. As mentioned, we are looking to do this for business, so I'm going to choose a business profile. So where you need to go next is the tax status up there on the right top corner. Once you're at status, you're going to click on tax status or tax compliance status. So in most cases, if this is your first time doing this, you would have to activate your profile first, otherwise you wouldn't be able to get these other profiles or information that you see here. So in order to do this, just tick on the ticks here and then press continue. It's relatively a two-step process and it should be done within a matter of seconds. So just do that and make sure that you're successfully activated. So once you're successfully activated, go to my compliance profile. Once your compliance profile has been loaded up, click on the tab that says tax compliance status request, and then at this point you can view if you have old or existing tax clearances, because remember they expire after a certain amount of time. So this is where you look for it. So at this point you can choose between two types of tax clearances. There's the tender and there's the good standing. They relatively serve the same purpose, but in most cases we tend to use the good standing. But obviously, based on your verification needs, you will inquire from whoever's asking for a tax clearance if they want a good standing or a tender version. So you'll just click whichever is relevant. So at this point, we're going to click request. So a lot of people tend to get stuck on this Flash Adobe Player request because now they don't know exactly what to do, or they think there's something wrong with their PC. This is merely a SaaS system platform thing, and it's easily it can be easily overcome. So how to bypass this? You just click the close button there, you click on install, and then you just say get Flash, you allow it. And then once you're done, you can just go back to your page and you try again. That's how you simply bypass that. So it tends to do that if maybe it's the first time you're logging in on a particular day. So once you've done it for the day, you don't have to worry about it until the next time you log in if it's on a different day. Now to fill in the details that will help you to get your tax clearance certificate. So just verify that everything is in order. Make sure that your registered name is filled in properly, your trade name is registered properly. The only way to edit this is you have to go to your organization and edit SARS registered details, because from this point you can't necessarily edit them. So here what you're going to do, or what you can only do here, is put in your cell phone details. And your email is not compulsory, but you can put it on there as well. And then once you've done that, just make sure everything is filled up, everything is good, then you just submit form. So, and practically you're done. So at this point, you won't be able to get your tax clearance certificate as yet, However, you will receive an SMS, as you just heard the tone now. That SMS will confirm that a tax clearance PIN has been issued, and it will give you the details that that are necessary, as you can see on the SMS that you have received from SARS. And then what you will do is just wait for about 5 to 10 minutes and come back, log out for now, and come back after 5 to 10 minutes to actually get your tax clearance certificate. As you can see, if you're going to try and get your tax clearance certificate before it being ready, you're going to get this message. As you can see, it's being processed, so you just have to come back a little bit later. It's usually about 5 to 10 minutes and it should be ready. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate your support. Hope you learned something. See you on the next one.